apple, sweet and red, sipping on a train ahead.
B is for beach ball, round and bright, bouncing along in the morning light.
Beach balls. C is for cat, furry and sweet, riding along on a joyful beat. Cat.
D is for dog bone, shiny and new, traveling far with a happy crew.
Dog bone.
E is for elephant, big and grand,
Rolling across this wonderful land.
Elephant.
F is for fish, swimming in blue, gliding along with a cheerful view.
F for fish.
G is for grapes,
Juicy and sweet,
making the journey a tasty treat.
Chicken grapes.
H is for hen, clucking away, starting a bright and sunny day.
I is for ice cream, yummy and cold,
Stories of sweetness waiting to be told.
Ice cream.
J is for juice, refreshing and cool, riding the tracks like a happy school.
Goose.
K is for kite, flying so high, touching the clouds in the bright blue sky.
K.
L is for lion, roaring with glee, zooming along for everyone to see.
A lion. M is for monkey, swinging around, listening close to the musical sound. And a monkey.
N is for nut, small and brown, rolling right through the happy town.
And a nut.
O is for owl, wise and clear, shouting out loud that the train is near.
Oh.
P is for penguin, waddling in style, making us all break out in a smile.
Q is for queen, shining so bright, leading the track with the royal light.
Queen.
R is for robot, metallic and neat, keeping the rhythm with marching feet.
R a robot.
S is for sun, warm in the sky, watching the alphabet train roll by.
S a sun.
T is for train, chugging along, singing a wonderful alphabet song.
Train.
U is for umbrella, open and wide, keeping us dry on a breezy ride.
Umbrella.
V is for violin, playing a tune, dancing around with the morning moon.
Wine.
W is for whale, swimming so deep, waking the world from a sleepy sleep. X is for xylophone, ringing so clear, telling us fun and games are here.
S is for the power.
Y is for yo-yo, bouncing up high, waving goodbye as the train goes by.
Yo.
Z is for zebra, stripes in a row, that's how our alphabet train likes to go.
It's a zebra.